What if the secret to silky, glowing legs was sitting quietly in your kitchen? A ritual so pure, so simple, it feels like self-love in motion. This isn't a hack, it's a rediscovery. Welcome to the sugaring renaissance. Tired of harsh chemicals and endless shaving? 2025 is all about conscious beauty, gentle, mindful, and clean. Sugaring is nature's smoothest secret. Just sugar, lemon, and water. No chemicals, no pain, just glow. Apply against growth, flick with it. The pull is gentle, yet powerful. Each movement, a rhythm of renewal. Rinse, pat dry, feel that softness. The glow is instant. And over time, hair returns finer, softer, lighter. Sugaring works anywhere, legs, arms, underarms. No salon appointments, no stress. Just you, your rhythm, and your ritual. Because beauty isn't about perfection. It's about how you feel in your own skin. This is the sugaring lifestyle. Natural, sustainable, empowering. Your glow starts here. Subscribe for more natural rituals that honor your body.